Here are some definitions of political science by different authors. 1. Harold Lasswell, political science is the study of who gets what, when, and how. 2. David Easton, political science is the study of the authoritative allocation of values within a society. 3. Aristotle, political science is the master science that studies the organization and operation of the state. 4. Robert Dahl, political science is concerned with the struggle for power and the search for justice. 5. Max Weber, political science is a science which aims at establishing a causal explanation of the phenomena of power. 6. Charles Merriam, political science is the study of the processes, principles, and structure of government and of political institutions and political behavior. 7. Andrew Haywood, political science is the study of power and governance, examining the acquisition, allocation and application of power in decision-making. 8. Anthony Downs, political science is the systematic study of human behavior in the context of government and politics. Each of these definitions offers a slightly different perspective on the scope and purpose of political science, but they all share a common focus on understanding the ways in which power and authority are exercised in political systems and institutions. Thanks for watching.